Hello,
Hi,
my name is Miss Aryan. What's your name?
my name is Bud.
Okay, Bud, look at this. This is a zoo. The children are looking at the animals. Here's the sun. Where's the ice cream?
It's here.
Okay, can you tell me where's the ice cream?
Um, the ice cream in the boy hand.
Okay, where are the trees?
The tree, the tree are be behind the woman.
Okay, where is the robot?
The robot is be, between the chair and back cat.
The cat. Okay. Alright. Now I'm putting the robot next to the cloud. Now I want you to put the robot between the bag and the man. Say it.
Here,
Okay. Now where's the baseball cap? Where is the baseball cap? Where is the baseball cap, bird?
the big cap is between the robot the,
Mm. And
and
the
the
polar
polar
bear. What is
bear.
it? Polar bear.
Polar bear.
Okay. Alright, now I'm putting the baseball cap next to the boy. Okay? Now what is it? Don't touch it.
It's a balloon.
Okay, what color is the balloon?
It's yellow.
Alright. Now, how many balloons you see in the picture?
It's a tree.
Okay, what are the colors of three balloons?
It's green. It's red. It's yellow.
Okay, now tell me what's the woman doing in the picture? What's the woman doing in the picture? What is she doing?
She is taking some corn.
What is she doing in the picture? She is what? Okay, what is the woman doing in the picture?
She's taking a photo.
Okay. Now look at the elephant, okay? Tell me about the elephant.
The elephant is big, color bright, and drink water.
Okay. Now, what's this?
Is a
What is it?
is a fat polar bear.
Okay. Do you like polar bears?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat.
What's this?
In the milk
It's milk. What do you drink for breakfast?
is water.
Okay. What are these?
Is a crayon.
Okay. What do you do with crayons?
I color it.
You color the pictures. Okay. Now, where's your house?
My house is my house is in phòng Bắc Ninh.
What's your favorite room in your house?
My favorite room in my house is my bathroom because
Why?
it's
Because what? What do
because
you do there?
I playing
And you play and do you
and
do homework there?
yes,
Okay. What do you do in the evenings?
in the evening I do homework
Mhm.
and watch TV.
Okay, that is the end of our speaking test. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. Orion.